In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lagging, crashing, and skipping errors in VLC Media Player step by step. If your videos stutter, freeze, crash randomly, or won't play smoothly in VLC, this guide will help you fix it using simple settings and proven solutions. These fixes work for most common video formats and are perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll start with the quick fixes, because many VLC issues can be solved in just a few minutes. The very first thing you should do is update VLC Media Player. Open VLC, click on Help in the top menu, and then select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and restart VLC. Updates often fix bugs, playback issues, and compatibility problems that cause lag or crashes. Next, try a simple restart. Close VLC completely and reopen it. If the issue continues, restart your computer. This clears temporary system issues and freezes up memory that VLC may need to run smoothly. Now, let's check your system performance. If you're on Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Go to the Details tab, find VLC.exe, right-click it, and set the priority to High. This tells Windows to give VLC more system resources, which can reduce skipping and freezing during playback. If those quick fixes don't fully solve the problem, let's move on to Advanced VLC settings. These options are very effective for fixing lag and buffering issues. In VLC, click on Tools, then Preferences. Make sure the settings view is set to Simple. Go to Input and Codecs. Look for the file caching option. By default, this is usually set to around 1000 milliseconds. Increase this value to 2000 milliseconds or higher, then click Save and restart VLC. Increasing file caching gives VLC more time to load video data and can significantly reduce skipping. Next, we'll adjust hardware acceleration. Still in Input and Codecs, find Hardware Accelerated Decoding. If it's set to Automatic, try changing it to Disable and save the settings. Restart VLC and test your video. If the problem gets worse, go back and try Automatic or DirectX instead. Different systems and graphics cards work better with different hardware acceleration settings, so testing is important here. Another powerful fix is changing the video output module. Open Tools, go to Preferences, then click on the Video section. Find the output setting and change it from Automatic to OpenGL or DirectX. Save the changes and restart VLC. This can fix crashes and display issues caused by incompatible video output modes. If VLC is still lagging or crashing, the issue may be with the video file itself. Some formats or corrupted files don't play well in VLC. In this case, try converting the video to a more common format like MP4 using the H.264 codec. This improves compatibility and often eliminates playback issues. As a final step, consider reinstalling VLC Media Player. Uninstall it from your system, then download the latest version directly from the official Video LAN website. A clean installation can fix hidden configuration problems that cause repeated errors. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix lagging, crashing, and skipping errors in VLC Media Player using quick fixes, advanced settings, and file-level solutions. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy and updated software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.